back. Let's continue the second part of this working with text using the Manim within this 2.3 render text and formula text without LaTeX. So that is the without LaTeX. This video we talk about the slant and the weight. Slant to me is also a new word. That is the way is how you can see that is the normal italic those type of the font style and the weight is just how bold this font is weighted. So that I put our naming here. So slant is as our the parameter is you can have a default is normal or italic, and also a new word to me is oblique. So this italic and oblique are both the italic actually, but one is the Roman style, one is the italic style. So let me try to show you all of these together, and the weight is the how this normal and bold looks like. So it's used is Manim Pango. So again, it's Pango dot weight to do that. Before we move to the detail, is you may remember is last video is when we did on this use font. When I try to do from my local, I got this warning, and also on the online, this Docker container is also the warning is showing is a font Noto Sans not in this list. The online this container doesn't have a full list, but the issue is this font is not recognized. After the video is I made our question to the Manim discussion board. So I just ask is whether this is our the issue or I have something wrong. So it's very quickly as I got one of these maintainer. So he is L. So he gave is Benjamin. So he gave this the acknowledge and he will trying to fix that, I believe. So possible is when you watch my course and come to the last video is you don't get warning message anymore. So that is the interesting part, or maybe there will be a change on this online the code, because if we change to the other code is then you don't have this error. Then that is also one way. I hope is you get that behavior is if you find something strange, don't be worried. Try to raise a question or maybe ask help from the community. This is the open source platform. That is the also when you ask a question is you are trying to contribute back to the community, let people to help improve our communities better. So thanks for you if you're starting to engage into the this project. Let's come to this slant. Slant is the word is talking these three styles, and weight is the style is to this weighting of this font. So we will do this, and I also do this one by one. So and I will put all these three parts. Let's have a look. So again, so I will keep adding. So this one, I create our folder. Code is the 2.314. And then that is, let's see the slants. So py. So from Manim import everything class slants example and scene. And then the def construct self. So we will just put our name. So maybe we put this A is the text italic. Let's make that is our normal. slant equal to normal and move to up times 2. Yeah, and I will have a B. Let's copy for that. I got this normal. Looks like I have something issue. So let's see. So I will change that to B, C. Then here is the italic. I will use the italic. This I put that to 1, and this don't move. And this I will use this one to see what's that oblique. And then we will put this self-add A, B, C. So very simple. So let me make this Manim PQL slant example with our class. Let's try to see the difference of these three. In normal Office, I never distinguish we have the Roman style and the italic style, but it's good is on here we can see these three. So I don't think is I have a very detail is what's that looks difference. So maybe let's see here. So can you see the difference? I see the I, L are quite same. So but anyway, so you see there's a three different switch can help you to define these slants. So if you use this slant, then you can have these three different type. So you can check back with this slants.py so that you get all these three parts. And then let's see this no weight, because weight is can coming from thin to ultra heavy. So this there is our list. So we can use the simpler way is like our traverse of this list, like in Python what we do. So using a looping, so-called a looping-like way, so that we don't need to manually like slant to write down one by one. So that is also an easier way that we can use. So let's try this way. And you can see the Manim is anyway is kind of our Python library. So the Python's the approach is can be used in Manim. So let's try to create this weight.py. So I put this def construct self, and then I don't think we need to separately import Manim Pango, because I remember when we read those source code, is Manim Pango is already loaded by the certain package already. So let's directly go to define our V group. So vector group, not this vertical. And then we define the, it should be the equal and weight list. Define that like our dictionary. So within this dictionary, we will use the sorted for this order. So within that is the actual dictionary. Is weight Manim tango dot weight value. And for this one is we will have a loop for weight in Manim tango weight. This is kind of the standard Python iteration way. So give a key is the lambda x in x1, not semicolon, is the comma. And we finish this, then we can see here is for weight. This is a list, so now we utilize this list is g plus equal to g plus. You can use a g plus equal text and we have weight equal to weight dot name, font equal to, let's use the impact. You can use any kind of things. So here, why is the dot name is not correct? Is because weight equal to this one. Then next is the let's give our so add arrange down scale. So you can have a one. That's also no problem. So Manim, what's our name? So our name is, oh, I put that here, so that is wrong. So it should be in number 5. So weight is the different weight. So let's look at what's that generated. It's arrange is from top down. So Manim Pango isn't defined, so that is interesting. So I remember in some code is they have that. So now let's back to import that. It's not like it's a NumPy import by this star. So now I think it should be okay. I will take some. Oh, so many. That's not like this thing, but you can already see if you compare this, here is a kind of thin, here is a kind of little heavier. So that is the thing I think it's you can make change that to different font, then you can see the result. So we started, so we finished this second part is the this slant and weight. So next one we will talking about color, although we already have the color demo before. So see you then. Bye for now.